Hi everybody, so I'm trying something new, so bear with me. We are going to work on how to do guided access with your student to keep them into an app. So what you're going to do is you're going to push the settings button on your screen, okay? Then it's going to show up like this, so you can see my name. You're going to go down to accessibility and you're going to click on guided access. Once you turn that on, you can set it for passcode settings. Set guided access. I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can pick something more complicated or more easy for your students to use. Then we'll go back. Okay, now we're going to turn on the shortcut too. So that way when I triple click the home button, it'll lock me into an app. So let's go into an app and I'll show you exactly how it works. We'll just open up Starfall because that's one of my favorites. It's a great app for the kids, has lots of good information. Now I'm going to triple click 1, 2, 3, and once I clicked, guarded access is started. So now, no matter how many times they push that home button, they can't get out. Even if they push it 3 times, it'll bring up the passcode 1, 2, 3, but they have to know the passcode to get out. Now, but they can still manipulate and go around the app and play games, but they cannot get in or out of the app without you entering the password. Oh, I pushed it 1 too many times, so now I have to wait 5 seconds, and then I'll do it again. All right. Starfall's pretty awesome, though. It's my favorite. Great number, letter, color, reinforcement, and math skills. Guided access is enabled. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and boom. Now I can hit end, and I can get in and out of the app. So I hope that helps you guys keep your students into the apps that you want them to so they can complete their work and their school assignments. All right, bye everybody.